Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an Easter wreath Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to use one of the wire wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. I had one of these that was part of the 3D, so I just have to pop off a couple pieces. You can always use those if you can't find the little gold individual ones, if you want a skinny frame like this. Now to wrap it, I'm going to use some of these vines from the Dollar Tree and some of their string carrots. I think this is going to be a really cute combination for a carrot wreath that we can hang a little bunny rabbit into. This garland is already wrapped around like this brown wire material that's like a vine, so it's really great for making wreaths and stuff like this. And since it's a skinny frame like this, I can just kind of go straight over it like that. So I just wire it to it, and then I go around and I'm just going to start zip tying the vine to the wreath. I really love these leaf garlands from the Dollar Tree. They have several different varieties. I think any of them would work. They are great for crafting, but when you see them, make sure you get 2 or 3 at least for a project because you're definitely going to need more than one. They're not very long, and I just keep adding the garlands to the wreath form until I'm happy with it. I want it to be super full, and if there's any areas that don't have any leaves, I want to add more. So I used more than I thought I would need for this, but I do want it to be a full big wreath for my front door for Easter. So that looks pretty good. Let's start adding carrots. These are the little string carrots from the Dollar Tree. They have several different varieties of these. I would say this is kind of more of a small or medium one. And I am just going to start hot gluing those directly to the greenery, just trying to evenly space those out, and we're just going to go all the way around. I love the string carrot look. I think it's a really fun look for Easter and something that seems to be readily available at all of my Dollar Trees. So once I go all the way around with the carrots, it's time for a bunny. I couldn't find just a bunny head sign, so I found this one that was holding like an Easter egg. So you know what? We can do a little crafting on this to get just the bunny head. These things are easy enough to cut, even if you don't have a saw or anything like that. My favorite way is just to use a razor blade, and you can go around curved surfaces and stuff like this as well. It's not a very thick sign, and they're kind of made out of like, a thick cardboard. So a couple of cuts with the blade, you can cut that off and shape it. Cute little bunny head, perfect size for this wreath. I think this will work really well. I'm just going to give it a quick sanding here at the bottom where I cut it, just to make the bottom of his little chin smoother, and then we can attach it to our wreath form. I just removed the hanger that was on there, replaced it with some twine that I can wrap around and tie off to the wreath form. He has 2 hangers, so I do it here on both sides so he hangs down hopefully evenly. Make sure you check. And this is how it turned out, our little carrot Easter wreath using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I think he's so cute. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!